Guys, what an absolutely incredible opportunity here today. Number 40 Patterson Street here in the beating heart of safety beats. But without further ado, let's kick things off, kick things into gear. Opening bid, opening off at absolutely any level you like. 950, there we go, ma'am. Opening the bidding up at 950,000. I'll take 20s in time. At 950, one horse race at this particular point in time. I wish you all the very best of luck. 1,010,000, sir. On the market, playing for keeps. How good's that? 1.14. 45? Sir, in the box heat to buy at this particular point in time because we're on the market and selling at 1.15 million. Nice even numbers for the auctioneer, I love it. 65, I'll take it, 1,065, 1,070,000. Sir, let's do it. Here we go. Calling it 3 times. Once, twice. 180, there we go. At 1.180, knows how to bid at auction, don't you, sir? At 1.18, how good's that, Matt? At 1.18 million, maybe a cappuccino on a Saturday, a walk around the park at 1.18 million. Conversations are transpiring, giving him every ample opportunity to jump back in front. Appreciate your patience, guys. Calling it 3 times, here we go. 90, there we go, 1.19. 1.196. Sir, 7. Rapid fire. Let's go. At 1.196, I feel rain transpiring. At 1.196, sir, need to know now. Fairly bit away. It looks like you've defeated your competitors. I'll call it 3 times. Once. Definitely out, guys. Twice. Definitely out. 3rd. Final time. Sir at the back. Here's the last 30 seconds to make sure you're 100% certain. At $1,196,000. To the neighbours in the crowd, thank you for coming along. We appreciate your attendance. If you're thinking about selling, buying, renting or investing, I highly recommend getting in touch with the team at Impact Realty at $1,196,000. We are selling. Selling.
Knock it down.
Sold. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well done.
We're here today at 40 Patterson Street in Safety Beach, where we sold the property under the hammer today.
Yes, the property sold for $1.196 million, $246,000 above our vendor's reserve. A cracking result.
If you're looking at making a move, definitely get in touch. We'd love to help out.